Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another video. My name is Sarah. So today, as you can see, this is the makeup look that we are going to try today. So this is a very simple summer look. We are just in the last few days of summer here in Canada, so I wanted to create this very easy, simple look that is super beginner friendly and anyone can do it. If you want to see how it's done, then just keep watching. Let's, as always, start off with putting up our hair at the back so it's away from our face. So firstly, I'm going to apply a moisturizer. So you can apply a thick layer of moisturizer that helps you keep your skin hydrated, and and also it helps your makeup glide on a lot easier. If you have like a well prepped face, you will notice the difference in your makeup. It won't look cakey, it won't be dry, it will be super smooth and it will just glide on. So I've just applied my moisturizer. Next we are moving on to foundation, and one of my favorites is the Bobbi Brown stick foundation. This is in the shade Golden 6, so this is what I'm going to be applying today. You can use a liquid base as well. I'm just using the stick foundation because it helps to it has like more control. Now blend out the foundation with my beauty blender. Just always try to push the product in, so that way it makes your face have that nice clear base instead of it looking like you applied makeup. That's what I always do. I push the product in. And because I'm just keeping this like a simple look, I am not going to be applying concealer today. Just so bringing in the foundation itself underneath. The foundation is done, we can move on to just setting up the face. So I'm using a setting powder today, and I'm not gonna go all over because I'm planning to maybe use a cream contour. So I do not want to like powder up the entire face. I'm just gonna go only in like certain places where I usually get oily. So like just under my eye, so that does not crease. Just setting under the eye. That's it. So once we have our base done, because this look is like a little summery, so I was thinking of incorporating the maybe like sunset colors. I do not have anything in mind, but let's just see how it goes. So I'm thinking I will use this rose gold palette from Elf. They have really nice shades here. If you can see, this one is a very pretty shade, so thinking I might use that. And also maybe this one also. I've already mentioned about this palette before. This is from Wet n Wild. They also have really nice pretty summer colors. This is my eyeshadow brush. Okay, so I'm starting off with the sunset palette. So I'm using this brown shade first to use as a transition shade, and then we can move ahead. So just taking a little bit of that, and then putting it as always on the ends of my eye, and then just bringing whatever is on the brush. I'm just bringing it inside and buffing it in. So just like that, and then whatever you have on the brush comes in. And then I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm going in with the other palette, the Wet n Wild palette. I'm thinking I will go in with this orange shade here. I will use that as the end and put that into my crease, so below the transition shade. So I will pick up another brush. So I'm just using a little more of a denser brush. I'm using that to take the product underneath this transition shade, so into the crease, so it helps to pop out. So I'm using this orange shade for that. I'm taking a little bit of that, again placing it right below the transition shade, so like that, and then taking it in. Beautiful metallic orange color from here. So you can see such a pretty color. me see how it looks on the finger. Wow, this is so pretty. This is so beautiful. It actually gives like a hint of pink, but it's mostly orange. So I'm going to put that on the eyelid. As always, I like to apply the glitter eyeshadows with my finger. It applies better that way. And I'm just placing it at the center of the eyelid. I'm just using my finger to blend away along with the previous eyeshadows that we had applied. Just using another fluffy blending brush to blend all the colors that we've applied, everything together, so it does not have any harsh lines. Our eyeshadow is done. I'm going to use the same colors that we used for the eyeshadow. I'm going to use it at the bottom to smudge it so it completes the look. Just going to do my eyebrows, so I'm using an eyebrow pencil to just using a spoolie to first comb out our eyebrows, and then we can go in to fill up the sparse areas. Just using an eye pencil to just do my waterline. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl liquid eyeliner. I really like this because it's a beautiful, the black is super intense, so it gives a very nice sharp look. So I'm just going to use this on the lash line. I always somehow manage to water my eye every time I apply a liquid liner. Let's now move on to the contour. So for this, I do not want to like go like too dramatic and all, because it's just a very simple look. So just to give some definitions to my cheekbone, I'm just using this one. This is from Wet n Wild. This is also a stick contour. This is in the shade Call Me Maple. So I'm just going to just make like a small line over under my cheekbone, and then same thing over here, and then just at the ends to just frame my face a little more, and then I'm just going to buff that in up into my cheekbone. So starting from my cheekbone, I'm just putting it into my hairline. And then next I just want to set this contour, because it's a cream contour. I just want to set it with some powder, and I'm using this one from Annabelle. This is in the shade what is this? Sun Goddess. Dab it lightly and just set that place where we applied the cream contour. I'm just setting it with some powder. We can move on to blush. Today I'm using this one also from Annabelle Cosmetics. Such a pretty shade this is. This is in the shade Hibiscus, and I'm using a blush brush. Once that's done, now I'm going to go in with the highlighter, which is my favorite part because I love highlighters, and this one is one of my favorites. This is also from Wet n Wild. This is this is in the shade Precious Petals. It is a beautiful highlighter, and I'm just going to use that to highlight the cheekbones right above the blush. So I'm just going to apply the highlight there. Going to apply the same highlighter to the inner corners. It helps open up your eye a little bit. My brow bone, I always love to apply it here. It looks really pretty when you take photos. Prime my lips with some lip balm. So for our lipstick, I am gonna go with this one. This is by MAC, Girl About Town. This is a very pretty pink, and I think it'll look very nice for summer. Add some lashes for today. So this is from Kiss. I love their lashes. And like always, it's already placed in the sides that you're gonna apply on your eye. So this is for the right eye. This one is for the left. So let's just take it out from the packaging. Take it out slowly, and then we can apply the lash glue. Just curve it a little bit so it fits your eye, like that. Like that. And then when we apply it, it sits a little better. This is also from Kiss. This is their lash glue. So I'm just going to add a little bit to the strip. So I'm just going to add a little bit. Going to place it over the eye like that, and as always I will do my lashes off camera because I get very overwhelmed to film and do it. It takes such a long time. So I'll see you guys after I apply the lashes. If you want to see the tutorial, I've already made a separate tutorial on how you can apply your false lashes. I will link it up here, but I shall be back. So there it is, you guys. Lashes just completely change your look. So finally I'm gonna add this mascara. This is the Pumped Up Colossal from Maybelline. I'm just going to add it. I'm just going to nicely give it a lift for our false lashes as well. Don't forget the bottom lashes. Let me correct that. Let's just clean that up with a wet tissue. There, it's gone. So that's it. So finally, let's just spritz some of my favorite setting spray. This is from e.l.f. This is like a very affordable setting spray, and it does the job. So to seal our makeup in, and so it stays for long even on a hot sunny day. So that's it for this makeup, my friends. I hope you like this look. Very simple summer look that you can wear throughout. We are heading into fall here in Canada. Our summer season time is getting over, so cherish the summer time that we have. So that's why I wanted to create this very simple summer look, and I hope you like this look. If you did, kindly as always like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also I will link all my makeup videos up here. You can check it out, and until next time, my friends, see you soon. I'll catch you guys soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.